Okay, so this project is taking image pictures of a home and then having an algorithm basically take the photos and say, this is the front door, this is the kitchen. So they want the outside of the home, and then they also want the inside of the home. I don't know if a machine learning algorithm would be able to do this. With the kitchen, so it would be able to look at the image and likely tell if it was a kitchen, because there would be specific appliances in the kitchen that would be very distinguishable for a machine learning model like that, right? So it would be able to tell, oh, this is a stovetop, this is a microwave, this is a refrigerator, etc. I don't know if the algorithm would be able to detect the difference between a master bathroom and just a normal bathroom. Perhaps if it knew collectively, hey, I have to fill out these categories and predict the best prediction, and then it would decide based on what was left. So it would likely be able to tell a bathroom, right? Just a normal bathroom. There's a toilet in there. There's usually a shower or a tub in there, right? There's distinguishable objects within that room, the bathroom, that the model would be able to tell this is a bathroom. But the thing that I'm bringing up now is I'm not sure if a model would be able to tell if it was the master bathroom versus a bathroom downstairs, right? It would probably be able to tell if it was a full bathroom versus a half bathroom. I think usually in half bathrooms, you only have like a sink and a toilet. There's no shower, say. Whereas in a full bathroom, you would have a shower. And maybe there's more to it. But the point being is, it would be able to tell if it was a full bathroom versus a half bathroom based on whether or not the shower was there. But would it be able to tell that the master bathroom, which we'll say is a full bathroom, is the master compared to just another full bathroom, say in the guest area or whatever? So the master would perhaps be larger than a different full bathroom elsewhere in the house. But you would have to make sure certain features are included in the data set that you're using. So you'd probably have to attach features or a blueprint of, okay, what's the area of each of the bathrooms to be able to distinguish master bathroom from just another bathroom. So you likely would need additional context features. I think some more advanced models would be able to get away without those features, but the accuracy of determining whether it was the master bathroom or just a normal bathroom would likely be lower if you didn't include contextual features like how large is the bathroom. And then the backyard, the algorithm would be able to detect that, right? You have grass, you have different, it's different objects and stuff in that photo. So that would be easy. Bedroom, yeah, you'd probably, even if they had, a hammock or something, right? You'd probably be able to tell it was a bedroom. Maybe if it was a hammock, you would have lower success rates at telling it if it was a bedroom or not. You'd have to test it out to find out. Living room, now you're classifying what a living room looks like. I feel like there are some of these categories which are more ambiguous, which the results wouldn't be as good. And things like living room would probably be one of those, where the living room from one person to another, yeah, it may share things like a couch or a sofa or a TV or what have you, but there are differences in how people set up their living rooms, like a much wider variance than how they're going to set up their bathroom, right? Where a living room, you could have, you're an artist or something, or someone who's really digging the scene, and you have, nothing is normal about your living room. You could have no sitting arrangements. You could have, nothing that you would see in a sort of standard living room. Dining room is a little easier. You have to eat somewhere, right? If you sit down, you probably have a table or whatever. Game room, there'd be some identifiable things in there. Den, maybe there'd be more variance there. Laundry room, you'd have your laundry machine, dryer, etc. We have the most important to me are the front, exterior, kitchen, master bedroom, and backyard. So that, like I said, the backyard would be easy. Maybe there'd be some error here in the master bedroom. Kitchen would be easy. And then front exterior, I don't know if this would be easy or not, because you would basically be defining, like, front is a relative word. And so are you saying front relative to the road? And how would the picture be able to tell, oh, this is from the road? Say there's no road in the photo and it was just the home from the front facing view. Now, for most homes, it would probably be fine, right? You sort of have a structure where your like front door is sort of aligned, blah, 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 and then you have the home, right? There's some indicators of, okay, yeah, this is probably the front. But I would imagine there are weirder home configurations or just differences in home configurations where the whole notion of, oh, this is the front door may not be easy to detect, especially if the angle of the photo was taken weirdly or just, didn't have other contextual clues like the road in the photo. So I think the determining if the photo was the front exterior would not be cut and dry. There would be some error within that. And then here we have, describe your recent experience with similar projects. So I actually had to, I was thinking about this problem for one of the applications I was doing with creating ads. And I had some before and after photos of past jobs on siding and roofing. And I had to manually go through them, and it was very tedious. And it was mostly of the exterior. I think all of them were the exterior, or 99% of them. And I was thinking, okay, could I write something that would sort these for me? And then I could just link them up, load them into Premiere Pro, create this advertisement that I was making at the time, and have it done in a programmatic way. Whereas I was doing it manually. Okay, this before picture aligns with this after picture. And then I was loading that into Premiere Pro to create the media to then, render it and export it as a video file. And so I was like, can I do this programmatically? Because when I would do it manually, it would take, I think, like 4 to 8 hours to do the whole process, to find the photos, to align the photos, to gather all of them from a job site, to put them into Premiere, to do the video editing, to make the animations and so on, to create the advertisement. So I was like, can I just program this? I didn't apply the machine learning to tell if the sides like aligned, but I was thinking about it. So that's where most of this description is coming from here. And then they ask, please list any certifications related to this project. I don't think you would have certifications for this. So basically, to approach this, you would need, I wonder if you could do with a large language model where you just ask, describe what this is, and then you parse out its response. Where it says, this is a bathroom with a toilet. Or if you would need training data of pictures of all of these different categories labeled as what it is, and then you would just use classification, where each one of these would be a single class. So it'd be multi-class classification. You would probably have it export a probability on what the algorithm thinks the image is. That's how I would approach it. I doubt that they probably have images, maybe, but they likely don't have labels. So this person would either have to find a data set with labels, images of fronts of homes with the label, and then use that for the training to create the model, or they would have to label it themselves. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. My name is Michael Fisher Jr. I'm the founder of databindu.com. I'm a technology consultant, computer programmer, and machine learning engineer. If you need a consultation, please check out my Upwork account or my website.